So this is called record logging link. Okay, and it's available through Enable module. I'm actually thinking of making it part of all projects. So some of these external modules appear all the time because I've enabled them for all projects. I need to know who the owner of the project is, and the ability to search data dictionaries, things like that. But the record logging link is so simple. So if I go to my record status dashboard, I think everybody probably knows how logging works. You're coming in and you're poking around and you're searching for this. What this external module does is, if you're in a record homepage, if you use the button in the drop down, there's a new addition at the bottom, so you can see all the log for that particular record. So if you have somebody that you're kind of curious about what's gone on with him, what the history is, and you don't want to go through all the logging, if you just click on this, it'll take you to the logging piece, but it will pre-filter everything for you for that particular record and show you everything that's been done on that. You would need permissions for the log, which is in user rights, but what a quick and easy way to see everything that's been done for that particular participant if you were looking for that. So I think that that's about all the time we have. So thank you for joining. We'll be back again next week at 1 o'clock for the Red Zone. Bring your questions. We'll try to have something to present for you. And I hope you all have a nice weekend.